Hello children, let us move to the next word problem. Shabana bought 16 dozen ball pens and sold them at a loss equal to selling price of 8 ball pens. Find her loss percent and find selling price of 1 dozen ball pens if she purchased the 16 dozen ball pens for rupees 576. Now if you see children, they have told that Shabana has bought 16 dozen ball pens. So let us remove this dozen. Okay, we know that 1 dozen is 12 numbers, right? That means 1 dozen ball pen is 12 pens. So she has bought 16 dozen ball pens. So how much are they? So if you do 16 into 12, you will get 192 pens. Okay, so instead of 16 dozen ball pens, we can write 192 pens. So Shabana bought 192 pens, and what was the rate of that 192 pens? It was 576. So we have simplified the question. Shabana has bought 192 pens for rupees 576. So here we can say cost price of 192 pens is equal to rupees 576. So this is our first information. And sold them at a loss equal to selling price of 8 ball pens. That means they have made a loss of selling price of 8 ball pens. That means first let us find out what is the selling price of each pen. We don't know. We have to assume them. So selling price of one pen, let us assume it to be X. So we have sold this one ball pen at X rupees. But the loss is equal to SP of 8 pence. So what is loss? Loss is equal to selling price of 8 pence. So if loss of 1 pen is X, that means 8 pen is 8X. So loss is selling price of 8 pence, which is 8X. So here we have got loss also. Loss is equal to 8X. Okay. Now if the cost price of 192 pence is 576, what will be the selling price of 192 pence, children? We have assumed selling price of 1 pen to be X. So the selling price of 192 pence will be 192X, just a case of cross multiply. So selling price of 192 pence will be 192X. Now here we have got all the information, children. Cost price of 192 pence, that is 16 dozen ball pens, is 576. And they told loss is equal to selling price of 8 ball pens. Loss is equal to selling price of 8. So 8 pence is 8X. And then what will be selling price of 192 pence? If 1 pen is X, then selling price of 192 pen is 192X. So, using the formula, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Loss is 8X, cost price is 576 and selling price is 192X. So, bringing the like terms together, 8X plus 192X is equal to 576. 200X is equal to 576. X is equal to 576 divided by 200, which will give you 2.88. Now you have got the value of X. So if you put the value of X in loss, what will you get, children? 8 into 2.8, you will get loss. So let us find what is loss. Loss is equal to 8X. 8X is 8 into 2.88. That is 23.04. So this is your loss. Okay, children. So once you have got loss, how will you calculate loss percentage? Loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100. What is loss? Loss is 23.04 divided by CP is 576 into 100. So after doing cancellation, children, you will get 4%. So your loss percentage is 4%. Now, so you have got this one. Now find the selling price of 1 dozen ball pens. So if the selling price of 1 pen is X, So what will be the selling price of 1 dozen? 1 dozen means 12 children. So 1 pen is X. So selling price of dozen is 12x. So selling price of 1 dozen pens is equal to 12x. Because 1 pen is X. So 12 pen is 12x. That is 12 into 2.88. Because that is what is X. So when you multiply 12 into 22.88, you will get 34.56. So this is your selling price for 1 dozen ball pens. Hope you understood, children. Bye for now.